Hi, what I'm going to demonstrate here is how you use the phone to control the motors, and I've left it open just so that you can see the wiring. But we've added in a separate H-bridge motor controller circuit and not using the driver circuit, the H-bridge that comes in the kit. So if we launch the app, there are 4 tabs. And we start the controller by tapping on the car, we start the steering by tapping on the steering wheel, and we start the speed by tapping on the pedal. And then we have to tell it that we want to go forward, so we're choosing the gear. I'll then go to the data tab so we can track the data. Okay, so if I hold the phone at a relatively flat angle, about 10 degrees. I also need to calibrate the steering. My alpha is on 195. I'll get it to roughly 180, and then I'll just tap the calibrate steering button. Okay. Now the current steering is hard left or left, and I'm waiting for the API steering to reflect that. Once it does, the wheel only on the one side turns. Turn to the other direction. The steering is registering as right. Just waiting for the API steering to reflect that, and then the other wheel turns. Okay, turn it straight. They will both turn in a minute. And the speed of the wheels is changing based on the angle. So if I lift the phone up, as I've taken the foot off the pedal, they slow right down and stop. If I put it flat, foot flat to the ground, once the API speed registers, then both wheels will start turning fast. So we have movement up and down in the same way that a pedal would work, and left and right for the compass. And all of that can be monitored with the data in the data tab.